Hey Mariners, this video is going to show you how to make this pulley wheel out of a sketch like this. And what I did for everyone was give you these measurements so you can understand it in the classroom as a picture like this. But here we go. I want you to see this up close, and it's not necessarily going to look like this when all is said and done, but getting in the situations where we're dealing with measurements and placing accuracy into this is a different ball game. So you got to watch this being done for a little while. You can see I just finished a design like that. All right, just to show you the Revolve and how it works. This is not necessarily going to look like the measurements that you see on my image, but you'll see why as I go. I'm just going to use those dimensions to build this, and there's a lot of different ways to do it. So the ultimate goal here is to be able to revolve, which happens like this. You end up taking, I have to delete this. Actually, I don't want to delete it. I'm just going to go into Revolve. You can see what I have is this same sketch here that I've got there. And the way we do that is on the front plane. Here, I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm going to turn the top view and the right side view off, and this is where we're going to draw. So you click Sketch, click the front plane, and this drawing is done actually above the center point. You don't want to click right on the center point to get started, but we're going to click the front view, go over the center point, make sure we have a dotted line going up, click to draw a line from the left to the right there, about 10-ish millimeters long. When you see that white box, you're going to type in the number 10, enter, and then hit escape. So you have the escape key, my escape key, I have to right click and hit escape because I'm doing a screen recording and I just can't hit the escape key and it won't work that way. Anyway, I'm looking back at my measurements over here. I'm going to be referencing this diagram as I go. So what I just did was looked at this line measurement. It's not accurate. It should be a 15 millimeter line, but you'll see why I'm getting into all this in a second here. From there, you're going to end up drawing this vertical line. We're going to look for a measurement of about 60 millimeters because it's a dimension of 65 from this axis point when all is said and done over here. So you'll see, it just looks like here and here. And you'll just hit the escape key. I'm going to right click and hit escape line. All right, and we're going to do a couple of different things with the measurements. Like I said, this was supposed to be 15. So you double click that, change that to 15, hit enter, it's good to go. And I have a measurement from here to, you're going to use a dimension tool. Click that dimension tool that I just did. Place a measurement of 10 here. And then you're going to click the origin point and click the top of this vertical line, go out kind of far to the right, and place a measurement of 65. So really what that's done is it's established the overall size of this. And what you could do from here is just draw the rough shape in. That's the way I would go about doing this, is finishing this shape is actually really simple now. If I just go like this, click, 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 and then you'll mouse over this dotted line, find the endpoint of where it's got to align in here. What you can do now is look at a set of measurements like these and place the rest of them down. So I'm going to do that super fast here because I got a bell and I got people waiting for me. I'm just going to show you this. I'm going to go from center point to here, and it's going to pull a measurement out. This is 20. You're going to click this center point. You're going to click here. This is going to be 28. This line here and just pull a dimension out. Click again, place a measurement of 5. click this line up here, pull it out, make that 15, call it a day. Last thing you got to do is just put a line from the center point out, because that's going to be your axis. Right click,
Liliana Rivera to guidance.
click the
Liliana
revolve
Rivera
button,
to guidance.
click here for this red revolve axis, and boom, done. I got to pause because I got to start a class, but I'm going to catch up with you guys in a minute.